In this video, I'll guide you through the process of circle cropping an image in Canva. To get started, open your project in Canva and add the image or photo you want to circle crop. Now head to the left side of Canva and click on Elements. In the search bar, type Frame. Look for the circle option under Frames and click to add it to your Canva page. Next, click, hold, and drag your image over the circle frame. This will position your image within the circle, giving it a circle crop effect. If you need to make any adjustments, simply double-click on the circle cropped image. There you have it, a perfectly circle cropped image in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.